In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Fortnite account on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you the proper steps to set up your Fortnite or Epic Games account to play the game on any Xbox console. This is also going to work if you want to use Xbox Cloud Gaming on PC or mobile. So, when you first open Fortnite on any console, you will get a pop-up similar to this one that I'm showing you on screen, telling you to link an account. This is because in order to play on consoles, you will have to link that service account that you use on the console to an Epic Games account. So for example, on PlayStation, you need to link your PlayStation Network account to Epic Games. On Xbox, you need to link your Xbox profile to Epic Games, and so on. To do this process, first visit the Fortnite or Epic Games website, and in here, if you don't have an Epic Games account, you will be able to create one by clicking the user icon at the top of the screen here, and then inputting an email address to start the process. Alternatively, you can click on the Xbox icon, and this is going to redirect you to the Xbox website where you can just create your Epic Games account using all the information from your Xbox profile. But for this video, I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to type a random email address. Once you type an email address or you choose the option to continue with any of the services listed there, you can confirm your information such as your date of birth, your country, and then first name, last name, the display name, which is going to be your gamer tag, and a password. Read and agree with the terms of service, and after you are done with this initial process, you will be able to go back to the account page after you are done signing into the account on the Epic Games website, and in here, hover over your icon, go over to Account, and then select Apps and Accounts from the menu at the left. You will be able to establish the link to your Xbox account here. As long as you have the Xbox account properly connected through this window, you will be able to finish the activation process. So go back to your console, choose the option to link an account, and they are going to tell you that you have to go to epicgames.com/id/activate. Input the code that is displayed here, and you will be good to go to link your Fortnite Xbox account to Epic Games. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Fortnite account on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.